I've never been out of the country before, but this was nothing like I expected.
This is definitely such a unique place. They've got everything, the city, the mountains, the beaches.
Just so many colors right away. The people were extremely friendly.
It's been an incredible experience. It's my first time visiting South Africa.
I'd say this was definitely like a good balance between education and also like fun.
The trip has been amazing. I mean, it has been chock full every day of things to learn, to see, to enjoy.
As part of technology and management, we are a blend of engineering students and business students. So all of us are really interested in that intersection of technology and business.
So ready.
We are at Robinson and Kane. They manufacture yachts and catamarans. They walked us through all aspects of the building.
I got to learn more about how the assembly line process works and see it firsthand.
We also went to Hotel Verde. The guy that took us around, the guide, he was super knowledgeable. He was the one that built the hotel. And being able to ask him questions about why did you make all these solar panels here, or why are you collecting this water and reusing it? It was super valuable to see an inside experience. Actually, too, the aerospace guy, Sven Helfetter from MK Aerospace, seeing his view of defense, weapon making, and really just how they go about the engineering process here.
So we are at Workshop 17 today to have a talk with Turnstake, and they gave a lot of insights about stablecoin currency, and I thought that was really cool. Since I'm coming from more of an engineering background, it was very cool to see and hear about like the finance side and how they strategize to really promote their business.
I think the amount of how much my horizons have been expanded on the world, super valuable.
The trip to Khayelitsha I thought was a really interesting cultural, but also like a really educational experience for us. It was really interesting to see how strong the community is, even in places such as that.
I think my biggest highlight was definitely Boulder's Beach. We got to see African penguins.
The hiking's been really great. We got to hike Table Mountain and Lion's Head and got to hike all around Cape Points.
One of the biggest highlights of this trip was the safari. That was something I really looked forward to the most.
I think what we were blown away by was just how well everything is preserved. I think Cape Town does a great job of preserving like all of their wildlife, all of their nature.
I feel very like complete and satisfied about like all the activities that was planned in the itinerary. I feel like I really got a full like thorough experience of South Africa.
Trips like this are so important for our students to just expand their mind, to learn what other cultures are doing, to learn how business is done all around the world.
The educational experiences have been really rewarding.
I think this last week of my winter break was the highlight of any summer break, winter break, spring break, Thanksgiving break so far. And given the opportunity again, I would 100% do it again.